Let's see now Nernst equation. Till now, whatever you have seen, electrode potential, all are standard electrode potential. Standard means when the concentration of all the reacting species, that is electrolytic solution, is equal to unity, that is 1 molar, those electrode potential are called standard electrode potentials. See, all these are standard electrode potential. You have seen how you have measured this potential by taking 1 molar electrolytic solution and connecting it to SHE. You measured these standard electrode potentials, and the concentration of electrolytic solution is 1 molar. Now see, always there will be no, you cannot maintain concentration as 1 molar. Concentration may be 0.5, 0.2, 0.6 other than 1 molar. How to calculate then electrode potential? See, that is possible by Nernst equation. See, what is this Nernst equation? You know that this is a galvanic cell. Take this as M electrode and undergoing reduction. See, M raised to n plus n electron gives M. I don't know the charge on M, so take n plus. So n plus charge this M electrode taking n electrons and undergoing reduction to give you M. Now, how we can calculate electrode potential of this M when the concentration of this Mn plus is other than 1 molar. See, E of M raised to n plus bar M, that is reduction potential of M. See here, Mn plus bar M. This is a reduction, undergoing reduction. Why I am taking reduction reaction only? Because all the electrode potential are measured in reduction potential only, so I am taking reduction reaction. See, this is also reduction potential. Reduction potential of M equal to E naught of M raised to n plus bar M, that is, this is standard. See, E naught means standard electrode potential of this M minus RT by NF into log of, this is Ln means logarithm of base E, log of concentration of M by concentration of M to the power n plus ions. See, in this equation, this is M is solid. See, this is solid M. Its concentration is, we take this as unity. This Mn plus will be here. See, this Mn plus will be in the electrolytic solution. This is cation. See now, but concentration of solid is taken as unity, then this equation will become like this. See, we have taken this as unity. This is the Nernst equation to calculate electrode potential of M when the concentration of this Mn plus is other than 1 molar. See, what are the terms involved in this equation? E naught of Mn to the power n plus bar M is standard. This naught indicates standard electrode potential. This is standard electrode potential. Standard electrode potential means when the concentration of electrolytic solution is 1 molar or unity. You know this point. See, T means, this T means temperature in it should be in Kelvin. Temperature in Kelvin. You know that R is gas constant. You know that value 8.31 314 joule per Kelvin per mole, and this concentration of m to the power n plus is the concentration of the species m to the power n plus 1 n plus. See, this square bracket indicates concentration of m to the power n plus. F is Faraday constant, its value is 96,487. Here is extra, delete this one. So this is the Nernst equation. Remember this equation, it is very useful in solving the problem. In the next video we will see Nernst equation for Daniell cell. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Like the video, share the video, and spread worldwide to help others.